Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
And Spice.
Today we're going to teach you how to make Mrs. Hughes teacup candles. So you don't have to send your Downton Abbey cocktail party guest home empty-handed. We have these easy candles that you can make in vintage teacups. Shall we get started?
Let's do it.
Pick a teacup. Use one you have at home or find one at your local thrift shop. Use double stick tape to fasten the sustainer to the bottom of your teacup. Next, use a glass measuring cup to make a homemade double boiler. Melt down your candles. Buy new ones or use leftover candles you have at home. Once it is melted, pour your wax until your cup is 2/3 full. Once the wax is dried, make sure you poke holes around the wick. This way, when you finish pouring the wax into your teacup, you'll end up with a flat, even surface. Allow your candle to dry for at least 24 hours before burning. And that's it, an easy way to recycle your favorite vintage teacups into a great gift for your friends and family.